Accuracy, reliability, and simplicity. The Ashby Cross GP80 meter mix dispense system. Designed for processing unfilled epoxy, urethane, and silicone, GP80 uses two high-precision gear metering pumps to accurately meter the individual components for accurate, repeatable ratio control. Reservoirs around the drive shaft and seals assure continuous lubrication of packings to help prevent wear, eliminate air entrainment, and prevent crystal formation. Tanks, drums, or totes may be used to feed the GP80 metering assembly. Prep tanks are used for vacuum degas, agitation, heating, and other necessary material preparation. Level sensors with alarms and sight tubes provide adhesive level information, while material temperature probes provide actual material temperature. Agitators in the tanks maintain uniform heating of the material and assist in vacuum degassing, an important feature when processing urethane materials. Onboard dedicated vacuum pump, desiccant dryer for the main air supply, and other features can be added to customize the unit for any application. Ashby Cross manufactures adhesive dispensing equipment for all adhesives. For additional information on this or any of our other products and help with your application, please contact us directly.